National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Marshall County, Kentucky, southeastern Carlisle County, Kentucky, northeastern Hickman County, Kentucky, southeastern McCracken County, Kentucky, northern Graves County, Kentucky, until 3:15 a.m. At 2:23 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Clinton, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Mayfield around 2:35 a.m. Reveland around 2:45 a.m. Paducah around 2:50 a.m. Calvert City around 2:55 a.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Lowe's, Fancy Farm, and Sonia. This includes the following highways: Interstate 24 in Kentucky between mile markers 8 and 29. Interstate 69 in Kentucky between mile markers 46 and 51. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 3:15 a.m. for the following counties: in Kentucky, Carlisle, Graves, Hickman, Marshall, and McCracken.